I see a lot of developers handling this kind of blocks like this. Today, I'm going to help you take your responsiveness to the next level and transform it into something like this. In our HTML, we have a box container that holds 3 blocks elements. Each block contains an image and a text block. In the CSS, we start with some basic font styling and center our box. Then we begin our trick by giving our box display flex and our image width of 25% and the text width of 75% with some padding. And we center the text vertically by giving it a line serif center. And here is the key part. Make sure don't replace align serif center with align item center on the box, because that will make the image height shrink on smaller device, as you see. So instead we keep text align serif center and remove align item center from box. Next, to prevent the image from stretching oddly, we use image object fit cover. This ensures our layout responds nicely. Finally, we can add breakpoint here. Inside this breakpoint, we switch the column layout, set the image to full width with the fixed height, and we give the text a full width. We also move the image content to the bottom with the object position bottom, and that's it. Our layout is now fully responsive. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like more tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.